Let's start class 3 geometry 2D and 3D shapes. Here we begin the classes. Okay. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements. What that two measurements? Length and breadth. So it's also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. So where is two measurement only given? That is two-dimensional, like square, rectangle. There is only length and breadth. So this is 2D shape. Now here see the square, that is 2D shape. Here shows four sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, number of side of a square, that is plane surface, is 4. So number of side are 4 and vertex are also 4 of a square and all sides are equal to each other. Now the rectangle shape, here also 4 sides na, which is blinking. So there is 4 sides of rectangle and 4 vertex also, but the opposite side is equal to each other. Okay, not each side opposite only. Here is triangle. Here is 3 side of the triangle and 3 vertex given on triangle. Okay, that is blinking now. There is 3 vertex. Okay, this is the plane surface also and also called 2D shape. Now come on circle, that is next 2D shape. Circle has the one surface area and has only one side, neither any length and breadth. Okay, only one, that is called curvature. Okay, that's like a coin in the circle shape. Okay, now solid shape have three measurement: length, breadth and height. So solid shapes जो होते हैं उनमें three measurement होते हैं, which are, that is length, breadth and height ना. So these are three dimensional because has three measurement: length, breadth and height. Where is two measurement 2D, three measurement 3D. So 3D measurement shape, like example given here as a cube. Cube like a dice, any box. Okay, cartoon box here. That is here face, here edge, here corner or vertex. Okay, so corner also called as vertex. Here cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere and cone, that is solid shape. 3D shapes given here, and these example, that is matchbox, book, brick, tea bag, suitcase, almirah, these all are examples of which shape? Cuboid. 3D shape, cuboid. Here cuboid given, just look on it. Edges, there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total number of edges of cuboid are 12. Write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number of vertex 8, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number of faces 6. Okay. Number of faces of cuboid 6. Okay, 3 showing in screen and 3 back on the screen. Okay, now here cuboid given as an example: book, back face, side face, bottom face, top face, front face, side face, all have the faces as cuboid. Total number of faces are 6. Now see the next. There is, after the cuboid shape, here a die, ice cube, sugar cube, chalk box, gift box. Which type of shape? Here given as a cube shape, which is cube shape. Okay, cube shape, equal number of sides, equal sides have total number of edges, that is also called as sides. Okay, there is 12, here 8, equal to the cuboid. Now you see a chalk, glass, candle, tube light, log of wood. These are cylinder shape, two surfaces and one curved surface. Okay, two plane surface and one curved surface in the cylinder. See here, two plane surface in the cylinder and one curved surface. Okay, so curved edge, okay, curved edge on the plane surface, and flat surface there is 2 and curved surface only 1. Now see the next shape, that is sphere. Here, that is football, globe, orange, cricket ball. Which type of shape? 3D shape, sphere. Okay, in the sphere there is only one curved surface, only one curved surface, that is curved face na. So in the sphere only one curved face. Okay, neither any plane surface on the sphere. Just see the example of ball at extra. Okay, now see the top, joker's cap, sharpened pencil, funnel. These are which type of shape? This is cone shape. Which type of cone? Which type of cone here given as a one plane surface and one curved surface and one vertex also on upper area here and a curved edge side on the flat face. The curved edge given होता है आपका flat face के side में and here curved face only one and plane surface all only one. 3-dimensional or 3D shapes are just or have a surfaces also. Okay, now see the next.
Let's start the exercises of geometry in chapter 7. Here, look at these shapes and fill in the blanks. A square has 4 equal sides and 2 diagonals of equal length. So, square has 4 equal sides and 2 diagonals which are also equal of equal lengths. Okay. A rectangle has its opposite sides. So, rectangle has opposite sides equal and diagonal equal length. Okay, all sides of a square are equal. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay, a circle has no side, no vertices. Okay, vertex. A rectangle has opposite sides equal. Rectangle has opposite side equal na, here given na, as I remember. A square has 2 diagonals of equal length. Square has 2 diagonals na, which are of equal length, and rectangle has also 2 diagonals which are of equal lengths. Now here identify the solids. Here given a fluid na, so which type of solid is it? Cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. SYLINDER. Here ball, sphere. Okay. 3D diagonals, 3D shapes given here, and these are 2D shapes. Okay, these are called 2D shapes and these are called 3D shapes. And this is the cube shape, this cone, this battery which in the cylinder shape. Okay, here this is the balloon na, and this balloon is also of sphere shape. Globe, sphere, cylinder of cylinder shape, and here cap given as cone shape. Important terms here: plane figure, a figure that has no thickness, it has only length and breadth. So plane figure has no thickness. Suppose these 2D figures are plane figure. Solid figure having length, width and height. Okay, whole also. These are 3D figure na, so are also called solid figure. Okay, solid figure, these are solid figure and these are plane figure. Okay, see on next page: solid, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Do you remember plane shapes and solids? Your pencil box is a solid, but a paper from your book is a plane figure. So here any page of the book is a plane figure. Okay, and the book is a solid figure. Surface, the part of a solid which we usually see and touch is called surface. This is a surface area, okay, which we usually see and touch. This is called surface. An object may have different type of surface. Any object have different type of surfaces. Let's learn here. Plane surface, the floor, top of a table, dice and the blackboard all have only plain flat surfaces. Just see the blackboard that have in front of you as plain surface na, and behind it also one plain surface. Okay, these are flat surfaces. Curved surface, a ball, an orange, the globe, an egg and an electric bulb all have only curved surface. These type of things also have curved surfaces. Plain and curved surfaces. Here, which type of product have plain and curved surface both? That is called as cylinder shape na. So a candle, pencil, battery, cell and a chalk all have both plain and curved surface, like a battery also. Now see here, faces, edges and vertices of solid figure. Here total number of vertex of these cuboid is in front of you 4 and back to that surface is 4. Total number of vertex is 8. Okay, this is the vertex. Okay, overall here edge, these number of edges in cuboid is equal to 12. Faces, here this is the surface that is called as faces. Okay, now here different solid have different type of faces and edges. 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices in a cube. Every face is a square shape. 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertex in a cone. Okay, one face is plain and other is curved. Here one face is plain and other face that is curved. In a cuboid, every face is a rectangle. Rectangle shape of every shape faces. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Now in a cylinder, 2 faces are plain. Here 2 faces upper and lower. These are plain and 1 face is curved. 3 faces, 2 edges, no vertex. 1 face, no edge, no vertex in a sphere. Only one space. Only one face in a sphere. Sphere is all round. It has only one face, that's like a ball. Okay. Now exercise in next class.